stove there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Pulls 1 ounce of fuel, and it will, you know, when you fire it up, it'll burn. Well, the one I gave you a while back is, you know, use a hot one, and that one there too is hotter than a pistol, and it'll take like 2 cups of water, you know, and you'll boil that in just a very few minutes.
Huh. Be done.
I've got them in my emergency kits. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Well, that comes from that guy in Maine that I was telling you about.
Oh, I see.
He builds them.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Waiting to go into Whittier. Tunnel opening down there. Trains going through. You notice when they blow like that, they say hello.
Yeah.
Beautiful day.